Welcome back to another episode. This time the VW Bug gets a new underbody coating. So follow along as we prep the car, and during the process I was allowed to film a bit. Designed as the people's car, the Bug has become the iconic symbol of simplicity and reliability. But to keep it running smoothly and rust-free, a high-quality underbody seal is crucial, especially considering its age. Why underbody sealing, you ask? It's all about protection. Even if you don't plan on driving this car in winter, road salt, humid climates, and regular wear and tear can cause rust and corrosion. We are here to prevent that and ensure this Bug keeps buzzing for years to come. First up, preparation. It's key to a successful sealing job. We'll start with a thorough wash of the underbody to remove any dirt and grease. And this is how I learned to properly start a warmed up VW Bug. You don't pump the pedal 2 or 3 times and start. You step on it full throttle and start the engine. So here I was struggling pretty hard starting the engine. I must admit that was pretty embarrassing, as in front of the car wash some people were standing and looking at me. After that, my trusted mechanic preps the car by picking out small stones trapped between the body and frame and dusting off the car. Despite having taken the car to the car wash, there's still a significant amount of dirt and debris left. The floor pan, for instance, remains very dirty, and there was even a pile of dirt right under the brake master cylinder, which he vacuumed out. Fortunately, there was no severe rust damage, only surface rust. My mechanic runs it off. and applies a rust converter to ensure the affected area doesn't chip off in the future when the underbody sealant is applied. Choosing the right sealant can be overwhelming with so many options out there. For the buck, we're opting for a high-quality cable grease. The expert at TurboDodge has extensive experience treating various cars with underbody sealing, including my Seville and my leased vehicles. So I fully trust his expertise. And by the way, this is not a sponsored video. Now the fun part begins. He applies the sealant with precision and care, ensuring every inch of the underbody is evenly covered. It's a meticulous process, but every second is worth it for the protection it offers. A few hours later, the sealant covers every inch of the Beetle's underbody. As you can see, it looks like new and is now protected for many years to come. And there you have it, a fully sealed underbody, ready to tackle anything the road throws at it. The 69 VW Buck isn't just surviving, it's thriving, thanks to a little TLC and the right protection. If you're considering underbody sealing for your classic ride, remember preparation is key. Choosing the right products and the right specialist makes all the difference. And if you're located south of Vienna, I highly recommend TurboDodge for all your US car needs. That's it. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, drive safe, take care and ha vedere.